Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to exit full screen on your Mac. So for example, if an app on your Mac suddenly takes over the whole screen and you can't see the menu bar or dock anymore, don't worry, that's just full screen mode, and I will show you the couple of ways how you can exit this full screen. So the first way and the most easiest one is if you are in the browser and you want to exit the full screen, you want to click on this green icon which says exit full screen, and this is going to exit full screen as you can see, and we have now this small tab. Now another way how you can exit this full screen, as it is saying, we have to press and hold escape. So I'm gonna press and hold escape, and as you can see you need to hold it around 2 seconds and it's going to close automatically. And this last method is my favorite, so you just have to press a shortcut on your keyboard, so Control plus Command plus F, and this is going to exit the full screen as you can see. So this works basically for all of the apps. So let's say I can open a notes. I'm gonna full screen this, and now I'm gonna press Control Command plus F, and as you can see we have now exited the full screen. So that's it. This is how you can exit full screen on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.